Welcome back to the Wix Automations playlist. The single most important tool for managing your automated workflow is the Run Log. This is where Wix records every attempt your automation makes to execute, giving you the detailed information you need to confirm success and troubleshoot errors. If you have a complex automation with conditions, delays, or multiple actions, you must know how to read and use the Run Log. A quick heads up, according to Wix, run logs for pre-installed automations are not yet available. They're only available for those that you created. With that out of the way, let's start by accessing your run log. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and look for automations. Scroll down to the automations dashboard and you'll see all of your automations over here. Click on the specific automation you want to inspect, and on the right side panel, click on View Run Log. You'll now be taken to the automation editor, and here on the left panel is where you should see your run log. In my case, it says no runs yet because this site has not yet been published. Therefore, no actions still have been performed on my site. But if you have a published site, which means it's live, then it can be accessed by visitors and all of your run log will display over here. Wix keeps logs for completed runs for 30 days. Logs for runs that are in progress due to a delay are stored for up to 1 year. The run log is not just useful when it comes to your automation's history. It can also be an important diagnostic tool that gives you peace of mind, ensuring that your automation is performing its job flawlessly. So make it a habit to check your run log regularly. Anyway, if this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.